Huawei Mate 70 Air is probably just one day away from its official unveiling, and before that, we have another live image that shows the smartphone's slim design. The new leaked shot gives a clear side look at the company's ultra-thin creation. Looking into the hands-on images, the Huawei Mate 70 Air has a SIM card slot. It is said to be 6.6 mm thin and weighs only 208 grams. The smartphone's design is very similar to the regular Huawei Mate 70. The device features a 6.9-inch display supporting a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It will be available in two configurations, 12GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 512GB, and will be offered in color options such as golden black, feather white, and silver brocade. The Mate 70 Air is said to feature a 50MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide camera, and an 8MP periscope telephoto camera. The Mate 70 Air is rumored to be getting a massive 6,500 mAh battery that can be charged via USB-C at up to 66 watts. Huawei is preparing to launch the Mate 80 series in China, expected to debut in November. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.